Hallo lieve vrienden, vandaag gaan we een ingewikkeld onderwerp behandelen. Today we're going to cover a bit complicated subject about the pronunciation of two letters, the G and the R. You have learned in the previous lessons you can pronounce the G in two ways. That's ch or ch, right? You've learned that previously. And the letter R you can pronounce in three ways, which is r, r, and r. All right? And now we're going to learn about pronouncing words where the G and the R are combined in one word, because that can be very complicated for non-native Dutch speakers. Okay, so what kind of words do we have with the G and the R? The word big or large in Dutch is groot. So for my pronunciation, I've chosen the g for the G and the r for the R. So I say groot. But I could have also chosen the other pronunciation of both letters, which would make another sound, but obviously with the same meaning. I could have said groot. So the for the G and the r for the R. But since these two sounds are both coming from the same area in the throat and are so similar, it can be very complicated to learn and to train that. So that would be groot, groot. All right? So try that, practice that. And if you can't, no need to worry, you can also pronounce it in the other way with the other pronunciations of these letters. Groot. All right. So that's the word groot. Other word, begroting. So that's budget. Creating a budget is maken van een begroting. So we have G and R again in one word. I could have said begroting, begroting. And I can choose to say begroting. Another word is please, graag. So there are two G's in the word, but one of the G's is accompanied by the R. So I can say graag, or I can say graag. Another word, begroeting. That is to say hello. Ik begroet iemand. I am saying hello to someone. Begroeting or begroeting. The color green. Groen or groen. To enlarge. Vergroten or vergroten. Here you have an R, G, and R. Three of them next to each other. So this is extra complicated. Vergroten or vergroten. So two different pronunciations of the R in one word. A joke, grap or grap. The word vergrijzing, that's the word about that more people from an older age are in the society than people from a younger age, and this is expanding more. So more and more people becoming older compared to younger people. That's what we vergrijzing. So that's about the color gray. Grijs is gray. So this is what we call more and more. A larger chunk of the society is becoming gray. That's what we call vergrijzing. So again, R, G, R in one word. Vergrijzing or vergrijzing. Right? But you can also have the R, G, R in separate words when the words are coming after each other. So if I would say her large office, then I would say Haar grote kantoor. Haar grote. So that's R space GR. I could have said haar grote kantoor. Also correct. So, I realize this is very complicated, but you have to practice, practice, practice even more. So, we will not be able to distinguish if you are native or not. Because if you get this down, you're as good as Dutch. All right, see you in the next lesson.